Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 Azael. Welcome to the Av. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you have the brown box. Across the top, you have the large 700. On the side is blank. Usually they'll have a large boost on the side. This side is the same as the older boxes. You see the Yeezy 700 made by Adidas. Again, blank on the longer side. Now we take it to the tag side, man. Let me give you a look at the tag. As you can see, you know how they do the colorways on the tag. They have Azael, however you pronounce it, man. But let's go ahead and look at it, man. We ain't here to see the box. It's all good, but let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 Azael. Now, I've been waiting to see this shoe. You know, the pictures really didn't do anything for me. You know, I thought it was just a easy pass for me, just from the pictures. But after getting these in hand, man, I can't lie. I'm kind of like a fan of them. You know, now I'm really waiting for that all black colorway to drop. I'm going to be on that, man. Now, y'all know these glow in the dark. Let me give you a look at it. As you can see, it's a nice little touch for the people that like that glow in the dark action. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and take a look around the shoe, man. See if I could give you some details, help you make your decision. See, under the bottom you have like this blue and white, just bluish grayish outsole. On the side you see the neoprene, you see the shell, you see everything. Here's a look from the front. Top of the toe box, there's the tongue. So you have the all black tongue. Here's your medial side with your tag. Remember, the tag is on the left foot on the medial side. And let's look at the back. Now you do have that Adidas on that heel tab. Nice little touch. I mean, I'm feeling them, man. I know these not for everybody, man. I'm not usually a Yeezy fan, but it's just something about these, man. But once those all black ones come, man, game over for me. Yeah. Now looking at the other shoe, man, everything's the same. Just look at the back. Here's your medial side. Here's a look from the front. If I can get this camera to act right, man, I don't know what's. Here's a look from the front. Here's the top of the toe box. And there's your tongue. There's a better look at the material on the toe box. No branding or anything on the tongue. Nothing behind the tongue. It's just stretchable material. Here's a look at the insole. You got the black insole with the Adidas sign, with the Yeezy and the Ultralight. I mean, all in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe to me. Now, this colorway is not my favorite, like I said a few times already. I'm waiting on the all black pair. You know what I'm saying? That's the ones I'm a fan of. Hopefully we'll get a release date soon. You know what I mean? But these here, man, I think these growing on me, man. These are pretty dope, man. Now, y'all stay tuned because we're going to do a little on foot for y'all, man. You know, let me know how y'all feel about these, man. You see, you have the shell, you have, man, it's a lot of things going on with the shoe, man. But it's a new model. You know, some people don't take to new models as well, but it is what it is, man. So like I said, y'all let me know, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share video. Follow us on Instagram at Azael 504. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get into this on foot, and I'ma holla back.